Okay, so in this video we're starting to talk about Chapter 2, which is all about radicals. So in this video we're talking about rewriting roots, which is an important concept because typically we don't like to see anything in a root format, we'd rather see it in an exponent format. So let's talk about a few definitions first. So if n is greater than 1, then b is called a base. And n, when you have a root format like this, is called the index of the radical. Okay, and we can write roots using the index to tell us what power we need to do. For instance, we all know that this is called the square root. Well, anytime you see the square root, the index is 2, and it's kind of camouflaged. So just remember, if you see regular square root, the index is 2, and we write that, use it as the 1/2 power. Notice that the index and this number on the bottom of our fraction are the same. So for instance, if I had, say, the square root of 2, well, the index is 2. So I could rewrite this using a power as 2 to the 1/2. Again, the index was 2. Here, the cubed root, which you probably have seen before, the index is 3, and again, the index goes on the bottom of our fraction. So, for example, if I had the cubed root of 3, I can rewrite that using a power as 3 to the 1/3. Okay, so very easy. Same thing, I have what's called the fourth root. The index is 4, so 4 goes on the bottom of my fraction. So just another example. The fourth root of 4 can be rewritten as 3 to the 1/4 power. And then finally, same thing, it works for any index. For example, if I had the 100th root, my index is 100, so it goes on the bottom of my fraction. So let's say I have the 100th root of 3, and I can rewrite that as a power, say 3 to the 1/100th power. So rewriting roots in their power form is very easy. Just remember the index goes on the bottom. And that's it for this video.